Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to change search engine display language on Edge browser with just your mobile phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your Edge browser. So I'm going to click on here. Just like so. After you open up your Edge browser, next thing you want to do is to simply click on these three sliders from the bottom right here. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to settings. It's open up like so. Then at this point here, what you need to do is to simply click on general right here. It takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on search. It takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on select region and country. They take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on here. Then from the drop down right here, you can choose any language that you really understand. You have right here, we have Arabic language, Chinese language, English language, etc. Different types of English language as the case may be. As at the time of making this video, these are the number of languages and regions that you can simply select. So once you select any of the language that you understand right here, all your search display engine is going to be drastically changed to your default language on this particular Edge browser. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to change your search display language on Edge browser with just your mobile phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.